Hello everyone, in this video I will show you a smart distribution box solution that made by Raspberry Pi. It's an 8-channel power distribution box. Last week we have made a video how to DIY it step by step. And in this video I will explain the details, how it works and how to DIY according to your requirement. Okay, let's begin and see these details. Okay, you can see this is metal box. And we can open this box and you can see all have inside. I have installed Home Assistant at here. So this video I will use this tablet running the Home Assistant. Okay, let's look at this whole system principle. Okay, you can see this is the whole system and the brick and the KinCony server mini and the extended relay module and the power supply. And you can see that I have tested with my Home Assistant tablet. Relay 1, 2, 3, 4, and turn all off, and turn all on, and all off. And also, you can see that is input state. And you can see that I have 8-channel digital input, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 8, and ground. So I can use this short for digital input 1, and in my Home Assistant you can see input 1, that is for on and for off. You can see I can change for on and for off. So this also can monitor the 8-channel of digital input. You can see that digital input. So you can see this is our main controller, that is a server, it's a local server. So that you can see that is for relay output, this is relay output. And that is for the power and for digital input and RS485, and this is for USB. You can connect with the mouse and the keyboard, and the Type-C and HDMI connect with the monitor, and the SD card have installed Home Assistant and the Ethernet. Okay, so we can install this box at here. So this is a brain, that is a smart system installed inside of the box. And you can see here that we can power off, and I will show you some details. Just the power off, and you can see that is the main brick that is connected with single phase. If you want to use a 3-phase, you just replace this brick with 3-phase version. I use the single phase, that is the leave line and the neutral line. So you can see the red one and the blue one. And the blue, you can see also have connect with this terminal, that is for terminal for neutral. And that have, you can see this leave line have at here, and back to this middle of this brick. So this cable, you can see that have connect with this terminal, this all have connected together. But why I'm not connect at here, this point, and connect at here? Because the current will split. You can see some current will go through this direction, and some current will go through these directions. So that the cable and this point will let the current smaller. If I have only connect with this one, so all brick have add this current, all add to this point. So that current will be very large. It's dangerous. So I need to connect to this middle of this brick. Okay, and you can see the brick output. And this also have a fuse that also have connect with a leave line to this fuse. You can see this is not brick. You can see I can open it and get out of this fuse. So this fuse just protect this power supply. Install into it. So this only used for this power supply. So it's a low current. This is DC 12 voltage output and 4.5 ampere. So the input is from this range AC. So this is for power supply. That is L line and N line, leave line and neutral line. And this have output DC 12 volt that is output positive and negative for voltage. So you can see this is ground, and this is 12 volt. This is 12 volt. Because this 12 volt have connect to this server's power supply. The server's power supply also can use 12 volt or 24 volt. So you can see that is 12 volt for power supply, and this is ground for this whole box. And also you can see this have 8-channel brick. Just you can turn on and turn off every channel. And this every channel output, the red line have goes through this pipe and go to at here. This is COM. And this another point that is normal open. This is normal open. So this have controlled by this relay. And this relay and output the terminal to your load, to your light, and to your curtain, or to your different electronic load at this screw terminal. Okay, this is for external relay. This relay max is 6 ampere. So if you want large current, you can change this one. Because this relay, you can see that is removable. If the relay is broken or is bad, you can easily to replace it. So you can see that is the relay, ohm relay, that is high quality. It's 12 volt DC, or also you can change to 24 volt. So that you can see is 16 ampere for load. So it's enough. So we can just replace a new relay, just plug in. So it will be very easy to replace a new relay if it broke. And you can see the controller have connect with the Ethernet, or you can also connect with Wi-Fi. If you CM4 Raspberry Pi is Wi-Fi version, I have used the Ethernet because it's stable. And this SD card, so you can also use the SD card read from the computer, or use the USB reader to write and read the SD card. Okay, just install it here. And there are 8-channel relay output. You can see every channel that have COM, normal open, and normal close. And we will use the COM and normal open, these 2 points. And you can see every COM that have connected with DC 12 volt, DC 12 volt, 12 volt, 12 volt, just all have connected 12 volt from this power supply, just from this 12 volt. So if the relay is on, that is number 1 channel output will output 12 volt and to this terminal. That is the first channel. You can see this first channel just for first relay. So when your home assistant, the software control relay 1 is on, so that this one will have DC 12 volt output and to this terminal, and let this relay become on. And if the home assistant is turned off, so this will be 0 volt, just ground, and this is no power, and the relay will be off. So we just use this normal open, and 8-channel normal open have connect with this external relay module. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Just 8 channel go to this 8 channels release coil. And this board also have connect with the DC 12 volt for orange terminal and the ground for this black color terminal. So that you can use this one to control this relay board. And you can see if I power on, and the blue LED is on, and the home assistant is begin work. And now you can use the home assistant to control this relay on and off. But if your home assistant is broke, if your home assistant, the server is broke, you can see if I remove this network cable, even if I power off this terminal, you can see power off, and this stop work. But if you want emergency to turn on and turn off relay, we can also use this menu control button. You can see I can turn on and turn off. I can use this one. This is this relay. You can see this is LED indicate, and we can look at how it works. You can see the relay is on, the relay is off. So the relay is on. You can see the coin is that the contact is work. So this button just controls this relay physically, without system, without software, without network. So just use this button, control this relay directly. So you can see, just every channel must have a menu control button, so that you can control this relay without any software, because the system maybe have broken. And here you can see that is Earth. With the Earth, you can connect with your house Earth. Okay, you can see that is Earth, connect with this door. So this is the whole 8-channel Raspberry Pi power distribution box principle. And if you want use a large current, you just replace this relay module for large current relay, or you can replace with AC contact for such as for 25 ampere or 30 ampere, 40 ampere, even if 100 ampere. If you want the relay is large, and you can also change this brick with large current version. The mid brick that is 63 ampere, so you can also change it. Just if you use 3-phase, change this one. And if you use 3-phase, phase 1, phase 2, and phase 3, maybe you can connect with different brick with different phase line. So that will be, the load will be balanced. Okay, this is the whole system principle and how to DIY it and how to calculate some different parts by yourself. Hope you can make a beautiful power distribution box by yourself. Thanks for watching.